Good morning, children. And today we will finish this exercise 10.3. Okay. Yesterday up to 5 problems we have completed now. Now let me start sixth one. Exercise. Okay. Now sixth question. A tabletop measures 2 meters by 1 meter 50 centimeters. What is the area in square meters? My God. If you concentrate properly or by using this all example problems, you can finish this exercise. Okay. But anyhow, what is the tabletop given here? Two meters. And length how much is given? 1 meter 50 centimeters. 1 meter 50 centimeters. But here we need to find the area in square meters only. Okay. Now given length of the tabletop two meters, breadth of the tabletop 1 meter 50 centimeters, that implies 150 by 100, that implies 1.5 meters. 1.5 meters. Now area of the tabletop. Area of the tabletop L into B square units. That implies 2 into 1.5. That implies 3 meters square. 3 meters square. Okay. Okay. Now let me explain this into square centimeters. Now length is equal to 2 meters means 200 centimeters. Now breadth is equal to 1 meter 50 centimeters means 150 centimeters. Now area is equal to L into B, that implies 200 into 150, that implies see 3 zeros, 15 to the 30, yeah. Okay, clear? This is area in square centimeters, this is area in a meter square meters. Okay, children? Okay, now write it along. This is only another second problem only. This is not given a textbook, this is the original problem. That also the same area in square centimeters. This is the area which should be found in square meters. Okay, write it. Children, one thing here, 1 meter square is equal to 1 meter into 1 meter. Am I right? 1 meter means 100 centimeters into 100 centimeters. Am I right? That implies 10,000 centimeters square. Therefore, 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeters square. This you can write it in a rough notebook. There is one space will be given. There you can write this also. Okay. Okay, children, did you all finish? See, seventh one. I'll read the question. A room is 4 meters long and 3 meters 50 centimeters wide. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? No, this is I don't want to explain. You have to do it. But I will give you a hint. What is that? Room measurements are given. What is the room measurements? 4 meters long length. Breadth 3 meters 50 centimeters. How much square meters of carpet is required? Means that area should be found in square meters. L into B, length into breadth. Length 4, breadth 3.5. Am I right? 3 meters 50 centimeters means 3.5 meters only. So you can find by using formula. Clear? Will you find? This is homework for you. Question number 7. Question number 7 is homework. Children, you have to complete that problem and send me those homework problems to my WhatsApp number. Okay, don't forget it. Suddenly I will check it. Some people may think that sir is not asking, we are at home. Sir is at in his home now. How can he bombard? But definitely, suddenly I will visit your home. At that time, I will check your both HW and CWs also. Please be careful. Okay. Now let me explain question number 8. Question number 8. I'll read this. A floor is 5 meters long and 4 meters wide. A square carpet of side 3 meters is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. That's good. Very good. Actually, this is a rectangular room. Okay, children. This is the rectangular room. What are the measurements of this rectangular room? 5 meters long and 3 meters wide. This is 5 meters and this is 4 meters wide. 5 meters long and 4 meters wide. A square carpet of 3 meters. Here one carpet has laid on the floor. Laid on the floor. This is carpet. Okay, something design. Then how much floor is not carpeted? How much floor is not carpeted? Okay. Now how much floor means this is the remaining portion. That remaining portion, how much area should be empty without carpet? That we need to find. The total area minus area of the carpet. That's good. Total area of the floor minus area of the carpet will give you the remaining place which is not carpeted. Am I right? Now find it. Now given length of the floor, L is equal to 5 meters and breadth of the floor 4 meters, then area of the floor is equal to L into B, that implies 5 into 4, that implies 20 meters square. This is the area of the floor. Now side of the square carpet 3 meters. Now therefore area of the carpet S into S, that implies 3 into 3, that implies 9 meters square. Am I right? Now area of the floor, area of the not carpeted floor is equal to area of the floor minus area of carpet. Am I right, children? Area of the floor how much? 20. Minus this is therefore 11 meter square area of the floor which was not carpeted. Actually, usually in your halls, carpet will not be covered entire the floor of the hall. Na? Some floor should be covered with the carpet. So remaining floor should be empty only. Empty. So that empty place of the room is 11 meters square. Okay? Right, children. Okay, children, shall I write this? Okay, let me explain ninth problem. Okay, what is this ninth problem? 5 square flower beds, each of side 1 meter, are dug on a piece of land 5 meters long and 4 meters wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? Oh my God! See here, actually, a rectangular plot has given. Okay. This is a rectangular plot. And what are the measurements of rectangular plot? 5 meters long and 4 meters wide. 5 meters long and 4 meters wide. A 5 square flower beds, each of side 1 meter, dug on a piece of land. Here, they make like this. Children, everything should be in same measurements. Unique square butts, those are all. They dug means I think some little bit pit. Okay. Then what is the remaining area in the plot? Once again, I will read the question clearly. 5 square flower beds, each of side 1 meter, dug on a piece of land 5 meters long and 4 meters wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? Okay, this is the land. From there, 5 square flower beds we have to remove. Done. The remaining we need to find the remaining area. Okay, but given length of the rectangular plot, rectangular land, L is equal to 5 meters and breadth of the rectangular land, B is equal to 4 meters. Now area of the land, is equal to L into B, that implies 5 into 4, that implies 20 meters square. Okay, children? But given side of the square flower bed is 1 meter. Therefore, area of the 5 square flower beds, 5 into S into S. Am I right, children? Because area of the square S into S, like how many flower beds? 5 square flower beds. So 5 into that. That implies 5 into, that implies 5 meters square. Am I right? Now, therefore, area of the remaining land is equal to area of land minus area of flower beds. That applies 20 minus 5. That applies 15 meters square meters of the land is remaining. Clear, children? Is it clear, everybody? Right. One thing, children, whatever the problems I am explaining, like these large problems, you need to do again in your rough notebook or any book else. Okay? Now write it all up. Okay, children, next one. This is the question. See, question number 11, I will solve one question, the remaining you have to solve it. What is that? We have to split the given diagram. See, given diagram is given like this. So given like this, okay, this also you just increase a little bit. That's all. Actually, let it be, give name A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Okay, we need to split. Everything must be in 7 only. Here it is 7, here 7, this is 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 7, and it is all 7s only. Okay, all 7. Okay. Split the following shapes into rectangles and their areas. Split the following shapes into rectangles and find their areas. The measures are given in centimeters only. We need to split rectangles. Okay. For example, if we join like this, this will become a rectangle. Okay, and here, okay, now given object can be divided into, okay, how many rectangles? This is one rectangle actually. And if you join, this is also one rectangle. Okay? But the thing here, it is covered 2 times. Leave about. That is why let us separate this. This is one rectangle. Okay, and find these two separately. Can be divided into three parts. Okay, now area rectangle, this is AEFK plus area of rectangle C IHGJ plus area of rectangle BCD. Oh, here I forgot, write L. BCDL. That implies area of rectangle L into B. L means this much. What is the length? This is 7, this is 7, and this is 7. Total 7 plus 7 plus 7, 21 centimeters will become length. So 21 into breadth 7. This breadth is 7, and the remaining here length 7, breadth 7. It becomes square, but let us consider it as rectangle. So 7 into 7 plus this is also this 7 and this is length 7, breadth 7. So 7 into 7. That implies this is 147 centimeter square. This is 49 centimeter square. This is 49 centimeter square. That implies 49 plus 49, 147 plus 98. 49 plus 49, 98 now. That applies 8 plus 7, 15, 4, 245 centimeters square. Therefore, the area of this region is 245 centimeters square centimeters. Okay, children, write this out.